New factional fights in Zanu PF. The 10th of September 2025. Spread the love. By a correspondent. President Emerson Mnangagwa has acknowledged fresh divisions within Zanu PF, describing ongoing factional tensions as a serious threat to the party's cohesion. Speaking in Harare at the launch of the Women's League Empowerment Fund, Mnangagwa warned against internal plots to divide the movement and urged the women's wing to resist being drawn into succession battles. The exposure, denunciation, and rejection of those who try to fragment the Women's League and divide the party is paramount, he said. The ruling party is currently split over whether Mnangagwa should extend his rule beyond the constitutional two-term limit, which expires in 2028. While some loyalists are lobbying for him to stay, Mnangagwa has publicly resisted, insisting he will step down and allow Zimbabweans to choose a new leader. Factionalism runs deep. Analysts note that Zanu PF's infighting is not new. The party has long been plagued by rivalries over succession and control of resources. Mujiru versus Mnangagwa, 2000s. A bitter contest for Mugabe's succession that ended with Joyce Mujiru's ouster in 2014. Weevils versus Gamatox. Mid-2000s nicknames for internal factions aligned with patronage networks and power blocks. G40 versus Lacoste, 2010s. A defining clash in Mugabe's final years, with the younger G40 aligned to Grace Mugabe, battling the Mnangagwa-backed Lacoste faction. This culminated in the 2017 coup that ousted Mugabe. Observers say these fights have consistently undermined Zanu PF's public image, while entrenching divisions around succession and access to state resources. Women's Fund launched. Despite the divisions, Mnangagwa unveiled the Women's League Empowerment Fund, which allocates $300,000 to each of Zimbabwe's 10 provinces. He described it as a beacon of hope to spur inclusive community development. When women have economic power and sustainable livelihoods, families are sustained while communities are developed. Step by step, brick by brick, Mnangagwa said. The fund will also provide training and skills programs, which Mnangagwa said were vital to ensuring women drive change at household and community levels.